Hello friends. Today it is not going to be a technical session, but instead this will be very helpful for the taxpayers. We may have to pay advance taxes or we may have to pay taxes by ourselves at times, and we find it a little difficult to find out how do we go ahead with that task. So I'm going to tell you that in a very simple set of guidelines. I'm going to tell you exactly what are all the things that are to be done for you to pay the tax. This is for Indian tax paying system. And first, go to Google and type TIN NSDL. When you type that, the first link that you will get is the TIN-NSDL link, and you click on that. The moment you click on that, you will be taken to the NSDL website, which is nothing but the Tax Information Network of Income Tax Department of India's website, and just click OK for the first couple of things. They are all the guidelines that they are giving you and some inputs they are giving you. If you want, you can read about the PAN card and stuff. Now, our intention is to pay the tax. How do we do it? Very simple. Go to services. There, you have multiple services available, but our intention is to go ahead with the pay taxes online option. E-payment, pay taxes online. Just click on that. The moment you click on that, you'll be navigating to another web page. There, we've got multiple options available, but our intention, as I told you, is to pay the tax. And we may pay advance tax, we may pay the normal income tax, the assessment, self-assessment tax, a surtax, all those things can be paid with this challan number ITNS 280. This is the one that you need to click proceed. The moment you click proceed, you'll be taken to the page where you will have to fill certain other details, and the total time allotted for you is 30 minutes for you to complete the process. Now, you are paying as a company or you are paying as an individual. If you are paying as an individual like me, then you will have to click this. The option is 0021, which is income tax. The tax applicable for us is the income tax, which is not companies. And then what is the tax payment which you are making? Are you making advance tax, surtax, distributed profit tax, or distributed income tax, secondary adjustment, self-assessment, regular assessment? What is that you are going to make? Normally, when we pay before the filing, we may call it advance tax, and let's click that for an instance. Now, when you come here, which is the option that you are going to make through? If you are clicking net banking, they have got around 15-20 banks supported for this payment, and you need to just select one of those banks. For an instance, I'm just clicking ICICI. If you are going with debit card option, you need to select which bank's card are you using, and I am clicking for an instance HDFC. Now, payment can be made using debit card of the selected bank only. Only when you have the card issued by HDFC, you can use that when you select this option, and that's quite understandable. Whichever bank you are selecting, you must hold the card distributed by that particular bank. Now, you need to type your PAN number here, which is your permanent account number, and assessment year. When you are filing for this year, we call it as assessment year. 2021 2022 is the one that you need to make, and here I am typing some junk number. Let's just it's a junk number that we have typed, and all these are optional fields, but it is preferred that you fill all this because you get the challan very neatly. And the city that I am typing is Trichy, something like that, and you can type Telangana or something. Now, if you see pin code is important, so we type some pin code, some junk pin code again. It is not a right pin code that I'm typing. See, mobile number and email ID are not mandatory, but still it's preferred to give. Now they ask you for this PFFJ7 is the one that has come, and proceed. When you click, you will be taken. Since I have given invalid pin, it won't take you further, but once I give you a correct pin, correct PAN number, it will take you to the next page where you will be redirected to the bank's page which you have selected. You have selected, for example, Indian Bank here. It will take you to the Indian Bank's payment gateway, and there you can select the option further and make sure that you select the right option there. For example, if you go to Indian Bank, I selected it some time back, and when I tried it, they ask you for which type of tax are you paying. Are you paying the education cess edu cess, or are you paying advance tax, or are you paying some other taxes? There are multiple options available, so please make sure that you select the right tax option there, so that it will be very helpful for you to complete the payment. Once you select the right type of tax that you're going to pay with the banking system, it will be easier for you to complete the payment. Once you select the amount that you want to pay, the process will be completed. You will get a challan generated immediately. The challan has to be kept very safe because it's the one that you're going to submit as a proof at the time that you are filing tax. I'll show you a simple challan that I have generated, and it will be helpful for you to understand how it looks like. Now, if you could see here, we are getting all these details in the challan. The head code, which is nothing but the code for the tax that you are paying as an individual or as a company. Are you paying advance tax or something? The assessment year, the basic tax, the amount that you wanted to pay, education cess, the total amount I paid, the date, all these details are available here, and this challan is something that is going to help you as an acknowledgement for you to complete your income tax filing process later. I hope it was useful. Please make sure that you guys take through this website properly, go through this website properly, tan-nsdl.com. This helps you in completing the payment, and all these process happens within 5 minutes maximum, and they give you 30 minutes for completion of the process altogether. I hope this was helpful, and in case you have any questions in this, let me know. I can answer you on that. Thank you very much.